Gipahigayon ang ika-11 ka tuig sa ArcCon 2014 nga gilangkuban sa mga gamers, artist ug hobbyist sa Sugbo niadtong Sabado. Si Jean Mondoniedo inot sa report.
Gatusan ka mga gamers, hobbyists ug artists ang nagtipok niadtong Sabado sa Ayala Center, Cebu aron ipahigayon ang ArcCon 2014 o Animation, Role-Playing, Comics and Hobbies Convention.
Yeah, so ArcCon is a hobby convention which is focused on different things such as anime, Western comics, manga, video games in particular, figurine collection, and all the more. We're actually expanding our hobbies as we go. This year we actually have different dance crews, and also we saw parkour and fight choreography. We even have cosplay competitions that are coming in, and it's becoming even more rampant as ever. ArcCon is actually in its 11th year right now.
Usa sa mga milingaw sa mga tawo nga mitambong sa moong convention ang costume play o cosplay. Din 24 ka mga batan-on ang mipasundayag sa ilang nagkalain-laing costumes nga gibase sa ilang paboritong karakter. Adunay characters gikan sa Japanese television series nga Dragon Balls, One Piece, Dota 2, Diablo 3 ug uban pa.
I'm cosplaying Majin Buu because first, I like the character. That should be the first thing. You should love the character, you should know the character. Second, because of my body type, I'm quite fat. So that's why I chose this character to suit the character's form. And I just like to cosplay it because when people see Majin Buu, it makes them happy. And in turn, it really does make me happy as well.
Ang ArcCon gisugdan niadtong 2004 o kini nahimong tuigan nga selebrasyon dinhi sa Sugbo. Jean Mondoniedo inot alang sa Sunstar Pilipinas.